This is the star of the moment. Hey, this is one I've been looking forward to unbox. Can you guess what is in here? Guys, tell me. Can you guess what is in here? It's been a long time coming. This is the star of the moment, guys, and this thing is quite heavy, extremely heavy, guys. So unbox with me. My content creation game is about to go a notch higher. My food content creation.
Hi, Chineke. This is a heavy. Do you know what this is now? Hey, I can't even carry this one of my hands. Can you tell what this is now? Can you tell, or you're still guessing? Hey, this is a full set of. Should I spill? Chineke. Oh, this things are heavy. Hey, well, should I spill? Wait, let me remove them from the carton first. Chineke, this thing is heavy. I'm sure by now, because of how I'm saying that this thing is heavy, you will know what I am unboxing. Can you tell yet? Can you? Hey, can you tell yet? Should I tell you? I'm sure you will know by now. I'm sure, pretty sure. Okay. And then?
Drum rolls. Hey. Okay. Guys. Finally. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing what I'm saying? These are sets of cast iron cookwares. See, if you don't have muscle, you cannot carry this thing, no. So guys, I just bought a set of cast iron pots, a full set. That is what is inside that huge carton, a full set of cast iron pots. So I think there are 7 or 8. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. There are 7 all together. This thing, they are much. Do I have to unbox everything for you guys to see? And I love this mustard. I love this color. Anyway, okay. Shabi's unboxing video. Voila! The only comment I have with is that they are actually not as big as the pots I used to cook. Because I cook large quantity of food at a go. These ones are just for strength when I'm not making something big. Because yeah, the pans are okay. The grill pan, the pans are okay. I'm talking of the pots actually. I cannot use this pot to make a sizable quantity of stew. So guys, can you see me? Hey! Hi guys! It's been a long time for me. Hey! pan, grill pan, frying pan. Woo. And I love the color, mustard. This is modern warfare. Cast iron pot, finally. This is so wonderful. So horrible. See, I'm so excited. I want to know life. I am so excited. Ta-da! These are 7 different cookwares. 7 complete sets. Hey! And this work is beautiful, man. Beautiful. And this is unbranded. I guess that is why it's so affordable. There is no name on it. It's unbranded. The best. Those branded ones, they are expensive. Like I said, I know how much I saw this set of pots at Radiance Cookware. Radiance Cookware is a popular cookware brand. If you're on Instagram, you know Radiance Cookware, owned by Nancy, you know. See, her set of pots, I know how much I saw this set of pots at Radiance Cookware. So the price is a steal. And then I bought a complete set of cooking utensil to go with the pot, because like you all know, these cast iron pots, you cannot use metal or iron on them. So why not? If not, I had to buy a full set of spoons and all whatnot, and this is it from the same vendor. See guys, I think this vendor even has a shop. This vendor is humane, honestly. So these are all the, wow, looks quite solid. Yep, because a new pot deserves its own cooking tools. Hey, this is really nice, guys. I am hey, content open. Content is going to be contenting, guys. Ta-da! So rate this my unboxing, and they are solid, they are white. Oh no, God bless this Canon vendor. Like I said, if you want her contact, if you want her name on Instagram, just let me know. In fact, I'm going to put up her handle. I'm going to put up her handle on this video or in the description box, because what? This vendor is humane. What? She told me that they in Kano that they don't sell with so much profit. If not, that people will not buy. If I was buying this thing here in Abuja, I would have spent double or triple of the amount. I'm not even joking. I'm not joking, guys. I would have spent double or triple of what I spent buying this product from Kano, to be very honest. So that's it. So now I'm going to stack up. I'm going to arrange everything and do a video for you guys to see my new cooking set. Hey! Hi, even me that did the unboxing, I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Look out for my food contents, please. And when you see them, please support me by liking, by commenting, by sharing. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a massive thumbs up till I see you next time. Bye.